Morning, my fellow students.
Good morning.
My name is Gladness Makwanda. I live at Bunju. I'm a student at Institute Worldwide College. I'm pursuing certificate course in hospitality. My intention is to be food and beverage manager. In my presentation of today, I'm going to talk about classification of hotel based on target market or client entry. The hotel focus on a particular target market of the client. Let us see the benefits of target market. First, knowing customer preference allow a hotel to anticipate needs and make the guest have an enjoyable stay. Second, a well-defined target market helps the hotel to stand out from a competitor in a crowded market. Third, a hotel can offer amenities and services that meet the expectation of a specific guest. Let me give you an example of classification of hotel based on target market. First, casino hotel. Casino hotel is designed to the people having interest in gambling activity. In a casino hotel, food, beverage, and sleeping accommodation is their secondary services. Commercial or business hotel, designed businessman and a normal found in a city center or commercial hub, having high-speed internet 5G, conference hall, conference facilities such as laptop, projector, lighting pads, whiteboards, pen, and etc. Third is lodge hotel, are situated in a natural environment like a Mount National Park or Forest Lodge. Offer overnight accommodation with focus on outdoor activities. Often provide services like a guide walker or game driver. And the last is a heritage hotel. Heritage hotel are historical building like a palace, forts, and a mansion that converted into a hotel while preserving the original architecture and the ambience. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Institute Worldwide ni chuo kinachojipambanua kwa ufundishaji wa kozi za hotel management, food and beverage service, hotel housekeeping, food production, front office operation. Institute Worldwide ni chuo kinachoongoza kuwa na idadi kubwa ya wahitimu wanaofanya kazi katika hoteli na migahawa yenye hadhi ya juu kimataifa, 5 stars. Usiwe na wasiwasi, kwani mwanafunzi atapata ushirikiano mzuri awapo darasani. Mwanafunzi atapelekwa hotelini katika hoteli bora na kwa wakati. Na kama haitoshi, baada ya mafunzo ya nadharia na vitendo, mwanafunzi atapewa connection za ajira ndani na nje ya Dar es Salaam. Kwa nini uchague Institute Worldwide? Mkufunzi wa chuo ndugu Paulo Bagenyeka ni mbobezi wa masuala ya hoteli. CV yake inasomeka miaka 15 ya kufanya kazi katika hoteli mbalimbali katika idara zote na katika nyadhifa mbalimbali. Karibu sana Institute Worldwide. Tunapatikana Msasani Mwai Kibaki Road, jirani ya ubalozi wa Marekani. Lakini pia tupo Bagamoyo Road, Bunju A kwa Baharia. Wasiliana nasi kwa simu namba 0716932570 au 0764089676. Facebook Institute Worldwide College. Email instituteworldwide2006@gmail.com. Wote mnakaribishwa. Institute Worldwide, learn for life.